You how to install Hi-Fi S100 series locks. Here are all the components of this lock: front panel, back panel, deadbolt, and some fitting components. First of all, we need to drill holes on our door according to the drilling template. After the holes has been made, we are going to install deadbolt first. The backside of deadbolt can be adjusted between 2 and 3/8 inch and 2 and 3/4 inch. After the deadbolt has been installed, now we are going to install front panel. At this step, you need to decide the handle of retention. I'm going to install it as a right hand lock first, and later I will try it as a left hand. Fix both screw tube on front panel. Place waterproof rubber on it and install the front panel to door. Please notice that the spindle must be in vertical position. Make the data line through the hole. Now fix back inner plate with 3 screws. Now install back plate. The LR switch must be at the R side, and the knob must be in vertical position. Connect the data line to back plate. Now install back plate. Put the batteries in. Okay, job is done. Let's try the lock. Now I'm going to disassemble it and install it as a left-hand lock. The previous step is all the same. The spindle must be in vertical position. Now at this step, when connect the data line to backplate, please note that the LR switch must be at L side, and the knob must be in horizontal position. Okay, job is done. Now let's try the lock. Let's try the key. Move away the key cover. Use a spindle. Okay, worked. Move away the protector layer if you want.